Unlock the ultimate power-up in Monopoly Go with a little-known secret. Imagine having the ability to roll the dice whenever you want, without any limitations. We've discovered a secret online tool that makes this possible, giving you instant access to Monopoly Go free dice rolls. Want to know how it works? Let's dive right in. First, you'll need 3 simple details: your Monopoly Go user ID, your device type, and the number of dice rolls you want. With these in hand, you'll enter them into this incredible online tool. The tool quickly processes your request, generating the exact number of dice rolls you desire and crediting them directly to your account. It's like magic, but better, because it's real. But there's a small step before you can start rolling. To ensure everything stays fair and square, the tool asks you to complete a quick verification task. Don't worry, it's straightforward and takes just a few minutes. You'll need to download a popular game and play until you reach level 9. Once you've reached level 9, your verification is complete and your Monopoly Go account is instantly credited with the free dice rolls. It's as simple as that. This method is not only effective, but also current, with Monopoly Go free dice links that are fully operational as of August 2024. Say goodbye to unreliable Monopoly Go cheats or sketchy Monopoly Go dice hacks. This approach is safe, secure, and designed for players who want to maximize their game. And as a bonus, you'll also get some Monopoly Go free spins, adding even more excitement to your gameplay. If you've been waiting for a way to enhance your Monopoly Go experience, this is your golden opportunity. Think about the thrill of having extra dice rolls at your fingertips, ready to be used whenever you need them. Whether you're looking to speed up your progress, outsmart your competition, or simply enjoy a smoother gaming experience, these free rolls are the perfect solution. So, here's what you need to do. Take advantage of this secret tool today. Input your Monopoly Go user ID, select your device type, and decide on the number of rolls you want. Complete the simple verification by reaching level 9 in the downloaded game, and your free dice rolls will be waiting for you. This foolproof method is available now, August 2024, and it's your ticket to dominating the Monopoly Go board like never before. Don't miss out. Grab your free dice and start rolling your way to victory.